Hello friend. So in this video I am covering very important feature in Excel. By using the filter and counting option you can find out non-duplicate values. So it can be used in finding reconciliation which item is not present. So I am using the only two of formulas, filter and count, and we will find out. So here in my example I have some student list which are which are the student for the specific class, and as on date these are the students which are present, and they just want to find out which one are absent. How to do that without using any VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP or some other pivot table? So let's begin it. So this is the formula I have. I will start the formula how to do this. So for this I am using the option called filter. Filter is a new formula in Excel 365 or Excel 2019. You can go there, is equal to filter. You have to select the array. Array is the student list, the thing I want to filter. Out of this all student list, I have to filter the student which are not present. So I will start with the formula is what to be included. So I will start with not. I will tell you why I type a not. In the not I will type the formula of count if. Now he has to count if the range. Here I will give the range of all the student present. He has to identify where this range is present in this student list or not. So I have asked him to find the list but convert into not. Then it is convert into the true option. Then I press bracket close for filter. I get the required list. Like see, Anyan Singh is absent. If I add this here, so by default I get the absentees. So it's a dynamic formula. Let's understand how this count if formula work here. So indirectly in a filter option there's a range, and includes means when this criteria is true out of the array you will get the result. How I get the true for the absentee? Let's see. If I type the formula of COUNTIF here, COUNTIF, my range is this. I have to found this in this criteria. Being Excel 365 is dynamic, so it will give you the result in spill array. So see, I am getting the result. Whoever is present, I will get the result as a 1. Whoever is absent is getting the result as 0. So I want the values where value is 0 to be present here. So for that, I have used the formula not. When this condition is not true, see what happened. It will give me the result of true. So actually filter formula work here. I have given this criteria to search wherever the value is true, that I get the desired result. Hope you like this video. Thanks for subscribing to my channel.